Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing Nature Strip. Also, please like and subscribe. Turn the notifications bell on to keep more videos. Keeping me make a lot of cool and fun videos like this. Also, I'll probably be changing my ship to something else than this. But I'll keep it for a bit because I need more ships. Right now I have a horrible collection with barely any. Well, that I like at least. This is probably my favorite ship. One, because I unlocked it today and I always use the ones I unlock. Well, not always, but mostly. Do a small jump! This is insane, by the way. Yeah, if you didn't see. These gaps aren't tight because I'm good at straight flying. But for some people, they are. But I've been practicing straight flying, so I'm good. Yay! 3% farther. How much did I get from that? I'll just check. Do a small jump, bro. Just talking to myself. I want the 135,000 attempts ball. That's what I'm trying to get. This is definitely something about nature. Nice. I don't know why, but 9-star levels are wait, is Insane also an 8-star, or is it like harder? Okay, whatever. I'll just say the difficulties. For some reason, some insane, like modern insane, like insane levels that look like this are literally easier than harder levels that look way more detailed than this. Or like, for some reason, I'm worse at 5 stars than 9 stars. That's weird. But also probably, like, yeah, some insanes are just like Unity or something like that. Like other things like Dinosaur and Unity are like impossibly hard for me. And some like this are just like that, like just easy. Wait, GG, fun level. Sad. He died at 4%. Wait, what even is 4%? When's 4%? Let me see. Okay, they died there. If you didn't know, I'm not saying they're bad, but I got past their first try somehow. I practiced straight fly, that might be why. Well, I haven't even really practiced it, it's just like I'm just, well, I won't say I'm just good, But also, I've had a lot of straight fly, and it's kind of my specialty. Well, not like tight straight fly. Only like straight fly like this. Like this level of straight fly. Like easy straight fly. I can do like tight straight fly, but that'll be like in like 200 attempts. Also, if you see an icon, that's because I did 5,000 attempts. And also, if I get an icon, I'll be happy, and I'll probably equip it. If I don't equip it, that's fine. Yo, 38! This has a so cool gameplay, actually. Well, actually, this level is just nice. Perfect. I'm probably gonna beat this. At least I'm just gonna grind out this level infinitely and beat it in like a few days, like I did with Rise. Like I was like, oh, I can't beat it, and then like 2 days later, I was like, yay, I beat it. Well, not even 2 days, like a day. And Rise isn't insane. And there are 2 insane Rise. Like, there are 2 levels that are named Rise and that are insane. But only, like, it's from Master the Cube 5 or... Yeah, like, I think it's Master the Cube 5. This is a cool part. Probably the start's my favorite, though. Coin. This is my favorite part. Well, so far. And also, did you know if you have YouTube and YouTube Kids, you can subscribe to me twice? Literally, you can subscribe to me twice if you have YouTube and YouTube Kids, and you share my channel from YouTube onto YouTube Kids. Then you can subscribe on YouTube Kids and YouTube. If you really, really like my videos, you can. If you just like them, you can subscribe. And if you don't even like them, you don't even have to subscribe. I would just like the subscribers. Not because I want to be rich and greedy. Like, I just want a successful channel. And also, I just keep finding ways to make you subscribe. And also for you to watch my videos, but just, you don't have to subscribe. Only if you want. Yeah. 1% higher. Focus. Second scene. Out of however many there are. Scene 3 out of however many there are. Bruh. Bad. Bruh. Okay. Is an easy demon. Nature Trip by Psycho GD or something like that. I think it's Psycho GD. And also, if you're asking, can't you just use no clip? No, I don't have a jailbreak iPad, bro. And also, cheating's bad. I just want to beat this fairly and see everything and play it and stuff. Yeah, you might think I'm bad for only getting 39 and you could get more than that first try, but actually try playing this level. Okay, actually more. I'm not that good at straight fly. I accidentally did that. Like, for real, I accidentally did that. I could hardly sight read that because it's too fast for me, even though it's, I think, still, like, only 2 times speed. And, you know, I beat electrodynamics, bro. So, why am I struggling? It's not because this level is too hard to sight read. It's because it's hard, I bet. Other people can beat this first try. I'm actually surprised other people can beat this first try. Wait. There are no coins. People, like, top people have literally beaten it. Who's top? Why is he the leader if so many people got that? Why is he the top if so many people got 100? Maybe because he was the first to ever get 100? Yeah, I bet. And I'll be the last until someone else beats it. Like one of my friends. What? Of course I find a glitch in the level. I always find glitches in every level. Like in Rise, you can literally skip a teleportal. A teleport portal, I mean. There's some parts that I used to die at are now just Easy. Go, bro. I feel like you just have to hit every orb as early as possible. Okay. I'm beating Rise. Where's Rise? Rise, my favorite. Like that glitch, where you can skip a portal. Like a teleport portal. Fire. I'll beat it this attempt, boy. Bah. Bah. All I wish is that I knew how to edit, but it's okay. I just really wish I knew how to edit. Instead of fire, it's edit. I dodged fireball. I'm good. Bah! It is from Master of the Cube 5. At first I thought it was, I keep thinking it's Cube, the Master or something, which would make a little bit of sense, but Master the Cube makes even more sense. What if I thought it was 5 Cube the Master? 5 Cube the Master. That's basically all the words are backwards. Like, all the words are backwards, but spelled frontwards. I'm just gonna try to get the last coin because it's impossibly hard. Bah, 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 bah. Like, actually, I don't even know how to get it. Okay, wait. Who's the best? People have 3 coins? How do you get the third coin in Rise? No, wrong one. Wrong one. Just a space. How do people get the 3rd coin? I don't know if he remembers since he's the first. Well, at least I think. I know how to make this jumping spider, but like I think they used the yellow orb, right? The pink orb has to be too small, but the yellow orb is too big, I think. So what is it? The pinkish yellow orb, or is it a toggle orb? And when you activate it, a force block pushes you up. I don't think so though. Fire. Bum bum bum. Wait, was this made in 2.2? That's all I want to know. There is no swing in the level. Oh wait, this has to be. It uses pixel blocks and the side trigger and the spider orbs. I'll ignore that. Was a dumb. I was dumb at that moment. That's. Don't you know about the turd? Okay, I'm just weird. Don't you know about the poop? Don't you know about the turd? Don't you know about the nerd? Yep, I'm weird. I'm officially in the weird category. Wait, I want to copy this level. Well, I already have a copy of it. Smart. I want to just copy something. Fire. Bum bum bum. Yeah. Grrr. Right. No. This was that part. So it's this part. This part. Don't you know about the turd? I got it. The fence. Oh, I know. Just do that. Now, where is it? Okay, so it is. I did not make this. Don't trust me with. Oh, I should. Okay, I'm gonna make a new level. Trust me. The pixel blocks are too good. The pixel blocks are too good to be a thing. So just behind. Is it like this? Is it like this? I don't think it is, but anyway. Okay, I need to fix that. So red. Now detail of darkish, like darker. But this, I don't want to be red. Grrr. Oh wait, browse. I want to go to 999. Okay. But now we need a saw. You die. I'm cool. I'm cool. Now where is everything? Where? But what color? Don't you know? So I want it to be the next color. Yeah. I want it to be brown. And color 5 to be darker brown. What about the other way around? Spikes. I actually didn't mean to select that. That's that's weird. Let's do that. I'm not trying to make something good. I'm just trying to make something. I don't know. At least natural. It's gonna be connected to that with a guy. Oh, I know. And he will be inside of it. Pew, pew, pew. So hide. I'm just linking everything. Just like, I want it to be like a spike there if you touch it that's invisible. Like, basically, I want it to be like, I don't know, a factory theme or whatever. Like, I'm using like so many pixel blocks. So many pixel blocks. And I am weird. So, chains. So, just the detail of that, and it will be like, I don't know. So, delete boy, and then, so this will be 2. Pew, 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 pew. Yo. Is this level turning out good so far? I think so. I think so. And I think it's turning out awesome. But some people think it's turning out horrible. Because I'm a worse creator than them. How is this? How is this? Yo. We're still not in it? Oh, my. There's so many. Yeah, this is like an abandoned factory theme. And then that will just be darker. So this is dark light, and this is dark. It needs to be dark light. Oh, this is good. Dark light. So dark light. No. Blah, blah, blah. Wait, so I want a gradient trigger. 3, 2, 1. Geometry, yes. Boom. Alright, I'm just going back to like, wait, color 6 is black. I'm going to the music library. I'm gonna advanced search. Like adventure, ambience, loop. Okay, maybe not ambience. Yeah, ambience, but not loop. Wait. Factory. No. Ambient. Wait. So I need to do ambient horror. Wait. This actually fits. So. Like a 2 spike. But wait, I want to. Sorry, I keep saying but wait. Scale Y. A little shorter. Like like that short. I want it to be like a tall spike and it is short spike. This is good. I need a sound effect. But wait, search land. Player land. Oh. So, player cube jump. Cube land. Land is the best one we got. Wait. Exit out. Factory. Not the person factory. Factory, whatever. Wait. Pew. No, not that. Factory Tycoon. No. Factory. Oh. 9655. Wait, what was it? So 9655. 9655. This. Walk dirt 02. Walk dirt 02. Walk dirt 02. Walk dirt 02. Yeah. Oh, wait. I don't want it to be like that, though. Oh, yeah. Spike. Wait. Colon. Copy. You want I want a jump pad. Jump pad. Where are you, jump pad? I want a jump pad. There's a jump pad. Bitty 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 bitty. No. Okay, start positions are glitched. Just no. Nope. Factory. So 9 6 5 5 6 9. Where is the jump pad? I want jump pad. Where is it? I want a jump pad. Where is a jump pad? Wait. Jump pad sound effect. Sound effect. Sound. Wait, what is that? SFX. Jump pad. Sound effect. Oh, I know. Copy. So, jump. Jump. I want it to be like pew pew. This is cool. Also, I know something. I know that if you don't hit the orb, the sound effect still plays. But that just sounds so cool. Okay, I have to go now. Bye.